వన్ నేషన్ వన్ ఎలక్షన్ దేశానికి అవసరమైన మార్పు అని ఏపీ డిప్యూటీ సీఎం పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ అన్నారు. భారత్కున్న సామర్థ్యానికి ఇది ఆచరణ సాధ్యమేనని చెప్పారు. చెన్నైలో వన్ నేషన్ వన్ ఎలక్షన్ పై నిర్వహించిన సెమినార్లో పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ మాట్లాడారు. జమిలీ ఎన్నికలపై తమిళనాడు సీఎం స్టాలిన్ కూడా తన నిర్ణయాన్ని మార్చుకోవాలని చెప్పారు. దీని ద్వారా సమయం, డబ్బు ఆదా అవుతుందన్నారు.
This is very honest request to Honorable CM of Tamil Nadu, Shri Thiru Stalin Avargal, to recall his decision and to support one nation, one election. In last elections, India has crossed, our country has crossed American elections. Close to 800 days we are losing in 5-year time because of consistent and constant electoral process. And as he's been doing a tremendous hard work and tremendous growth. From 14th we came 4th place in growth index. A political stability and electoral stability is very essential for the growth of democracy, the growth of our nation. This is what I came here to appeal and also to make people understand. Every time your valuable time is caught up in electoral process, it is going to affect your lives. Commission rules. We can't go ahead. We can't go there. We can't oversee any developmental process. We can't review any kind of administrative issues. Right from parliament, right from assemblies to till the local bodies, it should be one election. That is the intent. That is a
ఈవీఎంలపై ఆరోపణలను పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ ఖండించారు. 2019లో అవే ఈవీఎంల ద్వారా ఏపీలో వైసీపీ గెలిచిందని చెప్పారు. ఓటమిని జీర్ణించుకోలేని కొన్ని పార్టీలు ఈవీఎంలపై ఆరోపణలు చేస్తున్నాయన్నారు.
2019, the YCP government has won the election with the same EVMs. And with the same EVMs, Congress has lost. But with the same EVM, BJP had lost its strength in last elections. And with the same EVMs, YCP government had lost the elections we came. The moment we won, and suddenly they feel that it has been tampered. The issue is not about which side, like as long as it is convenient to you, you will take this, and I think that's how we look at it, one nation, one election.